the dignity and dedication of service, the integrity of family and society, the sincerity of friendship, the excellence of profession, the love of country. I will put forth my greatest effort to promote, uphold, and defend these ideals, now and beyond my graduation. I will support ECSI, my alma mater, for a larger fellowship at home, in church, in school, in community, and for the country. All for God's glory. So help me God.
Thank you so much, Chasewell. You may now be seated.